Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise briefly with me the homeopathic remedy Apis mellifica. Its common name is honeybee, and this is part 1, general overview series. The text is from Allen's keynote with supplementations from Borick, Clark and Kane Mathur. This text is best suited to BHMS students, interns, MD, UPSC and PSC aspirants. So let us go ahead friends. The remedy profile is, it is a sarcoid being prepared from the bee. Clinically, the effect of the sting of the bee furnishes unerring indications for its employment in the diseases. It is an acute as well as chronic polycrest remedy. The kingdom is animal kingdom. The source is the whole honeybee. The habitat, the honeybee is found all over the world. It is proved by Dr. Hahnemann and Dr. Henke. The preparation. The live bees are put into a bottle and irritated by shaking. Dilute alcohol is poured 5 times their weight and kept close for 8 days, shaking the bottle twice a day. The tincture is then poured off, strained and filtered, which represents the mother tincture, or the mother tincture may be prepared from a drop of poison secreted by the bee if the bee is held in the forceps and the drop of poison is poured in a tube or watch glass. The organ tissue affinity of this remedy is the mind, eyes, ovaries, kidneys, bladder, fauces, serous cavities, skin, cardiovascular system, blood, respiratory system and nerves. The lateral affinity is right to left, and the thermal affinity is this drug is a hot remedy. So let us go for the constitution friends. The somatic predilectation is strumous or stropulous constitution. Women, especially widows, children and girls. The face is pale, waxy, edematous, with bag-like swelling under the lower eyelid. The psychic preponderance is, it has got irritable temperament and mind has nervous fidgety state, weeping disposition, cannot help crying, discouraged, despondent, hard to please, and the patient is self-conscious. The causation. The diathesis is for glandular enlargement, indurations, open cancers and serous inflammation. The exciting causes are bad effects of acute exanthemata, imperfect development or suppressed, like measles, scarlatina and urticaria. The ailments from jealousy, fright, rage, vexation and bad news, grief, loss of spouse, being away from home. The characteristics of this remedy is awkwardness, though the generally patient is very careful but drops the things readily, is so nervous or anxious. The dropsy, serous effusion and generalized edema can be there. The thirstlessness is very important in cases of dropsy, anasarca, ascites, all are there without thirst. The sensitiveness, the patient is extremely sensitive to touch and the pains are very peculiar. They have burning, stinging, sore, sudden and migrating character. The sensation of tightness is present, especially associated with anasarca in chest, abdomen and edematous extremities. The urine is albuminerous. There is albuminuria, can scarcely retain the urine for a moment, and when urine is passed, it scalds severely the parts. Sudden chill, the piercing scream from the children while waking or sleeping. Dreams. Dreams of flying, traveling from place to place, or business, full of care and toil. Desires. The patient craves milk. In fever, we find intermittent fever, chill usually at 3 pm with thirst. This is a very important concomitant symptom we have. The relationship. The complementary is natrum disagrees when used either before or after is rustox. Arsenic and pulsatilla follows Apis well. It has cured scarlatina, albuminuria after Cantharis, digitalis, and Helleborus have failed. The general modalities include the aggravation is after sleeping, closed, especially warmed and heated rooms are intolerable from getting wet, but better from washing or moisturizing the part in cold water. The amelioration is open air, cold water or cold bathing, uncovering pains by cuffing, walking or changing position, and when sitting erect. The miasmatic orientation is let us use the markers. Anasarca points to psychotic preponderance. Acute affections point to psoric miasmatic state, and chronic affections like nephrotic syndrome point to psychotic miasm. Albumin in urine is a pathological discharge, points to psychotic miasm. Our impression about Apis mellifica is it is a predominant psychotic remedy, and Sura is in the background. The posology. It acts well with 6 and 200. Repetition, lower dilutions may be repeated very well. Duration of action is 2 weeks to 20 to 30 days. The clinical application is glandular enlargement, indurations, open cancers, cancer pains, awkward females, depression, urticaria, encephalitis and meningitis, nephrotic syndrome, right ophiritis, right orchitis, right hydrocele, constipation, diarrhea, cystitis and urethritis. Thank you very much for patient listening.